Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another POV video, and today we have the 2019 or 2020 Audi RS4. This thing is in beautiful tango red. I'm a big fan of this color. We've got the 20-inch wheels. This car has a 2.9 litre V6 bi-turbo engine, and that produces 450 PS, and we're going to take it for a drive. 600 newton meters of torque, a 0 to 62 time of 4.1 seconds, and we'll see just how true that is. So in we go. Traction control off. I'll show you a quick launch. We're on some national speed limit roads, which is always a good thing. Here we go, foot to floor. Oh, flipping hell, that's quick. I don't even think that was 60. In fact, that definitely wasn't 60. I bottled it just before, so we'll try one more. That is so fast. That 0 to 30 acceleration, guys. That is 60 there. You can just see how quick this thing is. It is an absolute animal, this car. The noise from that engine is delicious. It's got a really nice purr to it. I'm a massive fan of this V6. And of course, because it is 450 PS, you need good brakes. This doesn't have the ceramics on it, but to be fair, it doesn't really need them. It's doing a really good job. The car itself weighs 1700 kgs, and one thing I do love about this car is I can crawl around here. I'll pick some very tight and twisty roads here for us, guys. Add a bit more excitement to the POV. What I'll do, guys, as well is I'll go for a couple of minutes of just pure driving, so you can hear the sound of this 2.9 V6 bi-turbo, because it is nice. The only thing with this car, and I guess with all of the cars now, with the Euro 6 emissions. Oh, there we go. We've turned into 60. Well, let's go much quicker. First gear. Oh, listen to that. Back down into first gear. We've got no one behind us. Another look at how aggressive this acceleration is. With all these modern cars, all these high power cars, I find it quite difficult to stick to the speed limit. I mean, we just, I put my foot down, took my foot off, and I'm doing just over 60. I've got to be careful in these things, but it's such a delight to drive this RS4. Wow. Back down to 40. Yeah, do you know what, guys? The thing with this RS4, sorry, as well, that I said it in my review. I love the fact that we're 1700 kgs, 300 kgs lighter than the RS6, and you do notice that. I definitely notice it. I notice in the way this car feels, the sensation of speed. It's a lot narrower. It's not as wide as the RS6. We've still got the flared arches over there. We've got a very nice viewpoint up here. The Tango Red looks delicious, but it just feels more nimble. It feels much more nimble than the RS6, and I guess that's always going to be the case when you've got a car that is 300 kgs lighter. God, it's just delightful. There's something about the V6s, isn't there? And of course we get some very nice pops and bangs out, well, not bangs, we get some crackles, some subtle crackles at the back of this exhaust, which is quite nice. Handling wise, you can really throw it around. Doesn't suffer much understeer. If you go too hard, you'll notice it though. But for what we're doing here, you don't. It handles really nicely. The addition of the RS dynamic ride as well on these roads makes a big difference, guys. It makes a really big difference, in fact. It's almost like a bit of a mag ride. There we go, look at this. We'll do another quick launch. Wow. Let me know what you guys think of this POV Series 1 and 2 of this RS4. Now, if you haven't seen the review, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. Make sure to check out the full review of this car, because we do a full review. And this is just a kind of side segment of every press car that I get. I do a bit of a POV drive, which gives you guys the chance to drive this car from, I guess, the point of view where you would be driving it if you bought one. One thing about the local area that I'm around as well is you've got very nice national speed limit roads, and especially when you're reviewing cars, it does make a difference. Right. Brakes are good on this. We clear? We're clear. Right guys, I think I'm going to call this POV drive to an end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy filming it. They are good fun. I love this RS4. It's very nice. I mean, as I've said in my review video, I used to have a B7 RS4, and this 2.9 litre V6 turbo platform is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I just wish it had a little bit more sound, but there's nothing an exhaust can't fix. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed it. My name's been Stef. You guys have been awesome. Make sure to subscribe for plenty more content. Make sure to check out my review on this car. That's also on the channel, and I'll see you all very soon on the next video. See you later guys. Bye bye.